Assalamu alaikum, my dear children. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your homes. Today, let's continue the last part of this second lesson, that is my family. But before getting started, let us revise what we have learned in the previous video. In the previous video, we have learned that families come in all shapes and sizes. It means that families can be big, families can be small. We live with our family members, right? Yes. So, what is a small family? In a small family, the parents and one or more children live together is called as a small family. What is a large family? In a large family, the parents, children, grandparents, uncles, aunts, and cousins live together is called as the large family, isn't it? And also, we have learned that every member of a family is special, right? Yes. The God has created everyone in a special way. Everyone are special, isn't it? Now, let us continue our discussion from here, that is getting work done. Let us see what is happening in Millie and Joy's house the morning after their birthday party. In the previous video we have seen that it was a Millie and Joy's birthday party, right? And everyone were enjoying a lot. So let us now see what is happening in Millie and Joy's family the next day morning. Okay. So Joy cleaned the room. Guess who helped him? Look at here. After the birthday party, how our house looked, children? It looks so untidy, right? Likewise, here also, Joy's house became so untidy. And what he was doing, he was cleaning the room. Like we clean the room after the parties, right? Yes. So Joy cleaned the room, and who helped him? Of course, his family members, right? Millie watered the plants, and was what Millie does, children? She watered the plants next day. Later, they opened the gifts. The next day of your birthday party, what you will do, children? Of course, we open the gifts that we get on the birthdays, right? So likewise here also, Millie and Joy, they opened the gifts after cleaning their house. Joy would not let Millie play with his new yo-yo. They had a fight. Look at here. They got this gift, that is yo-yo, and it was Joy's favorite gift. So what Joy was doing, he did not allow Millie to play with that new yo-yo. And what happened? They had a fight. Look at here. They are fighting with each other because of that new gift, that is yo-yo. Okay. But soon they became friends again. They played cricket together. After having fight with our brothers or sisters, what we will do, children? After some time we become friend again, isn't it? Likewise here also, Millie and Joy became good friends again, and they played cricket together, and they had a lot of fun. Members of a family love, care for, and help each other. Of course, the members of our family are very special to us, isn't it? Because they love us, they care us whenever we fall sick, isn't it? They care us, and whenever we need them, they will help us, isn't it? That is why we call it as a family. Being part of a family makes us feel safe. A family cares for us. Of course, we feel so safe when we are with the family members, right? So being part of a family makes us feel safe and comfortable. And family members, they care a lot. They love us, isn't it? So that is the strength of the family. Now next one, rearrange the letters of the words given to complete the following sentences about your family. So here we have to arrange the letters from the given option. Okay. And you have to complete the sentence about your family. We dash together. What is the letters given here? Levi, Levi. So what could be the word here? Of course, live, live. We live together with our family. We dash for each other. Of course, what is the word here? Care, care. Of course, our family members care a lot, so we care for each other. We keep each other dash, SEFA. What could be the word? Yes, the answer is safe, SAFE, safe. Safe means out of danger. So we keep each other safe. We have dash together. Of course, we have fun together. Whenever we find free time, we spend that time with our family members, isn't it? So that is a family who loves us and who cares a lot, isn't it? Now look at here, one activity is given here. What you have to do, you have to make a thank you card for your parents. Why? Because they take care about yourself, right? They love you, they care you, they give you whatever you want. So that's why you have to make a thank you card to your mother or father. Okay, thank you card for your parents you have to make. Now next, playing my part. It means that every member of a family does one or the other work, right? So draw a smiley next to the pictures that show things that you like to do for or with your family. So you have to draw a smiley to the picture that show things that you like to do with your family member or for your family member. Okay, first is laying the table. So while laying the table, you will help your mother, you will help your sister also, right? So you have to draw a smiley here. Next one, keeping your books and toys in place. It's a good manner. After playing with the toys, after reading the books, what you have to do, you have to keep those things at its own place so that your house looks so clean and tidy, isn't it? So will you do this with your family or will you do this for your family? If yes, then you have to draw a smiley here. Making loud noise. Will you love to make a loud noise with your family members? Actually, you will do that, but making loud noises disturb the others. Okay, that is why it's not a good thing. So you have to draw a sad face. Next, planning a surprise party with your family members. We like to do it, right? Yes, that is why draw a smiley here. Whenever anyone's birthday comes in your family, what you will do, you will plan a surprise party with the remaining members of your family and you enjoy a lot, right? Yes, so you have to draw a smiley there. Next, bathing the pet. Will you enjoy giving the bath to the pet? If yes, then draw a smiley here. Of course we enjoy that thing, right? Next, disobeying elders. Will you do that with your elder children? If yes, then it is a bad manner. You shouldn't do that. You should not disobey the elders. So there is a sad face here. Okay. Next one, sharing a joke. Of course we enjoy a lot. Whenever we find the free time, we chat with each other, we talk with each other, we share the jokes, isn't it? And we enjoy those moments. So the answer is smiley here. Now look at here, good living. Each one of us has a special role in the family. Sharing work makes it easy. Yes, of course. Every member of your family, what they will do, they will do their own part. It means that they will do their own works and all the family members do different works, and if you share the work with your family members, then it becomes so easy, isn't it? Yes. Next, in the table below, some jobs are given in the first row. Talk to your family to find out which of these they would enjoy doing each of the week. Write me for the jobs that you can do. So look at the table here, children. Here the different jobs are given: cooking, dusting, making beds, washing dishes. So among all these jobs, among all these works, which work or job you enjoy doing each day of the week? Talk to your family members and write their names, and which of the work you do it, you have to write there as me. On Monday, do you cook? If yes, then write me. If not, write mother. My mother cooks food. Okay, dusting. On Monday, will you dust your furnitures and your home? If yes, then you have to write me if you do it by yourself. If your brother does that, if your sister does that, then you have to write their name. Okay, making beds. Who does that work on Monday? Write their name. Washing dishes. Who does that work on Monday? Write their name. Likewise, weekly jobs of your family members you have to write here. Okay, and which work is done by you, you have to write there as me. Okay, so what we have learned in this lesson, that families are of different types, like family will be small and family will be big also. Parents and one or more children live together is called as a small family, and the parents, children, grandparents, uncles, aunts and cousins live together is called as a large family. And also family, they love and care each other. Everyone in your family is a special person, right? Family cares for us, they love us, they help us in our work. So whenever we are with the family, we feel so safe and comfortable, right? Yes, so this was about the family we read in this lesson. Well, that's it, children. It was the end of our second lesson. Inshallah, see you in the next video. Till then, stay safe, stay connected. Allah Hafiz.